What's going on, guys? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom in Meridian, Mississippi, and today we're going to be viewing possibly one of the longest destination models on the RV market today. This is a brand new 2023 Forest River Wildwood Grand Lodge, model number 42 View, with almost 200 square feet of windows on the campsite of the coach. If you're new here, we do welcome you to the channel. Continue to show your support by leaving your feedback in that comment section down below, and let's get started. So this thing is just absolutely enormous. The video is not going to do it justice with how big this thing really is. 13 feet 2 inches to the highest point, and the main box, not including the slides or tip outs, this part is 102 inches wide. But let's take a look at some of the numbers on the coach before we dive too much into the vehicle. So dry weight as it currently sits is 13,416 pounds. You have a total length of 45 feet. Gross vehicle weight rating is 15,635 pounds. You're riding on two twin 7,000-pound axles. I would have honestly liked to have seen something a little bit more beefier because this thing is huge. Riding on F-rated tires, and you've got right at 2,160 pounds of available cargo. So this is a what's called a fiberglass hung camper. Your main construction is a 2x2 sidewall, as well as a fully walkable roof, outfitted with a 35,000 BTU furnace. And I'm here to show you the drop frame construction. It's riding on a 12-inch I-beam construction, but the way they are achieving all the additional ceiling height is by also coming back with an additional 12-inch drop frame construction. While we're here, I'll go ahead and show you the fully enclosed underbelly. That is one of the gray tank hookups and rack and pinion slides. Black tank, city water connection is over here. And I'm just going to quickly go over the outside, and then we're going to go in. Thank goodness, it's kind of cold out today. Residential 20-gallon water heater, and that's the black tank flush. But this is the second drop frame construction, 12-inch, all the way back. You're stabilized with 4 sets of manual scissor jacks. And you also have available tie-down straps on all 4 corners plus 2 in the center for 6 total. Your main sewer connections for the bathroom, gray and black, so multiple sewer lines needed. This one here is going to be connected directly to the washing machine, so no pull handle provided for that one. And your power connections are back here. This is the newly designed max airflow vent for a back mounted wall. This awning is just huge. Possibly 25 feet of awning. Let's go ahead and go inside now. So 45 feet in length, 102 inches wide, just the floor, 8'10" ceilings. Now let me show you why they call it the View. All of your black roller shades as well as the TV lift are controlled from right here by the entry door, plus those over there. Notice the TV also going up. So all the controls are right here by the door. This is how you control either your TV up or down, as well as the main switch for operating those. You can turn off each one of the shades individually if you don't want to maybe raise or lower that one. Awning extend and light switches. So let's just come in and orientate you now slightly with the coach. Huge loft in the back. This is a sleeper sofa, so you can sleep 2 more additional individuals here in the living area. You can comfortably sleep about 8 people. And this is the nice thing too, whenever you're getting ready for transportation, usually with sofas like this, you'll have to disconnect some, stack them on top of the other. You don't. That is fantastic. Even the ottoman, you can just roll it in. Everything slides in very, very nicely. It is by far one of the easiest park models to set up. Even though with it being this size, it's extremely easy. I love the solid surface countertops, the way they give you the waterfall look. You got the drop in, excuse me, this is an undermount 50/50 sink with a residential sprayer. Your storage underneath your sink. You even have nice accent lights under your island here. Nice, that is very, very nice. 5 additional seats right here, plus all the additional seating here. Usually when you have a camper that's this size, you know, when you've got sleeping room for 8 people, you don't have room to really hang out in the living room. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty impressive so far. Fireplace, you do have in fact 2 on board of this model. 50-inch flat screen TV. And all the countertops all the way throughout next to the bed, you know, the fireplace, your island are all continuous with that solid surface. This is your view from the sofa. 18 cubic foot LG brand refrigerator. Freezers on the bottom, freezers on the top. That's a sneak peek of our sales price while we are here. And I'm going to show you the MSRP sheet, which is the build sheet as well. Freezers on the bottom, there's your ice tray. This is the build sheet. So MSRP, manufacturer suggests we sell this thing for $101,507. Our sales price, of course, being much lower. Your Furrion oven. Adjustable tray by 1-2. Separation between the two. That's very nice, plus the additional counter space right here. Standard microwave, that's about a 31-inch microwave. I'm curious to know what your guys' opinion is. So if you like anything you see during the video, give me a thumbs up or leave me in the comments. Tell me down below. So now whenever you do get ready to turn the living room into its full sleeping arrangement, just be prepared to be amazed at how big this sectional becomes. Typically when it comes to a trifold sleeper sofa, you're limited with just how much leg room you're going to have, because typically it's realistically probably 5'9", maybe 5'10". But if you were to sleep this direction, it's probably longer than a king size bed. And yes, you still have to move the ottoman out of the way, but you're still left with plenty of room to get right by towards the bathroom. What do you guys think of this sectional? So that is your overall kitchen area slash living area. This is one thing I like to point out though. I think the concept behind this, outside you have a tray that is placed here. So I'm guessing that what they're wanting you to do, once you get this thing set up with a humongous deck built outside, is you're able to cook and transition from your kitchen maybe to your island, or even if you have a party going on outside, you've got a place to set maybe some beverages or maybe other food outside. The curtains, let's look at this. I have not done this yet. Let's try to do this on camera. Let's open these up and see how well they close, or even if they will. I might be setting myself up for failure right now. I have not done this. So these at the bottom, they're kind of bunched up. You can see where the rod, metal rod inside, there's kind of bent around. It's all wrapped in there. But the curtains are very, very thick. They do not feel cheap at all. The lighting decor is pretty nice too. Let's go back to the bathroom now. So this is where the drop frame is going to be taking effect at. You're going to step down right at 12 inches. There's your view up top. I am 6'2" and I do have to watch my head coming in. Solid surface countertops continued into the bathroom, but look at your vanity, how they give you that additional shelf. That's nice. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You've got probably right at 6'7" ceilings in the bathroom. They've done several upgrades to the shower. Looks like you can have water coming from multiple points. 4 different locations. A seat for all the ladies to maybe shave their legs. There's your bathroom door. Let me get spun around and show you your vanity now. Storage underneath. Pretty deep pullouts. GFI outlet, but that's pretty nice. Just having this additional little shelf here. No medicine cabinet provided, but I think I'm okay with that, considering you also have plenty of storage here. So this is the switch for your electric water heater. So once you get this set up and you have purged that water heater, getting all the air out, just come inside, turn on your faucet, get all the air out of the system, then flip the switch to turn on the power. Splendid stackable washer and dryer in the bathroom, keeping that additional noise out of the bedroom. Max air vent. Simply just press it out. You got your switch. Close it. And that's the ventilation for the air conditioner. So on board you do in fact have two 15K air conditioners. Both of them are duct and racetrack together. That's the first one, and the second one's back here. At the foot of the stairs, central vacuum. This is also one that you can just sweep. The hose is also provided. I'll show you that once we get up into the bedroom. Teddy bear mattress. This is probably the size of a twin mattress. I like the separation. Usually when you get a loft bed like this area, they don't do the separation, but the separation between the two really does give it a little bit of character. 12 volt and 110 outlets located on both sides, and that's going to be the TV connections. 36-inch lofts, and wow, the cushion up here is padded quite nicely. Pretty cool little totes. Black roller shades. These are not on the switch, these are just manual pulls. Let's go ahead and go down. Transition from these. These tabs are fairly nice. I like these. Let's look at these. So tell me down below, what issues do you see with this? At my house, smaller kids always gravitate upwards, and I think for them, these kids to come down could be a hazard. Pretty much still the same layout though. Let's open these blinds. That'd be a pretty good view if you were up here sleeping out on the lake. Those really thick curtains are also up here. That's the second air conditioner. But this is what I'm talking about. I don't know, it's a great design, but I would be worried for smaller kids. The spiral case is very, very nice though. Second drop frame, about 12 inches down. I'm 6'2" again, I still have to be cautious of my head. This is a custom 66 by 80 queen bed with a Serta mattress. Second fireplace over here to the left. Black roller shades, and you do have a shelf on this side. Notice it's also solid surface. That's very nice. Continue to drop me some thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Nice set of chest of drawers at the foot of the bed, and that solid surface again. Lots of windows. Let's open this up. So this is just a full profile mirror, but you have a rather deep closet with some hanging accessories up here. And that's the switch, power switch for the fireplace right down there. So it is electric heat. It does come out from the cutout there, and all the controls are over here. You can change the color of the rocks. Let's see if we can't do that now. Why, I might have lied to you. There we go. So the flames, they turn colors, and the rocks themselves can be also changed. We can personalize it any way you see fit. Well, I definitely hope you guys have liked what you've seen. It's nice, it's different. I have never seen anything quite like this. It still gives you all the sleeping, but yet you still get lots of sitting in the actual living area, but it's very, very big, and it is going to take quite a large vehicle to move it safely. And these things are not designed to go camping every single weekend because of just the fact of how hard it is to be transported. Continue to like and subscribe. Come see us.